Never in my wildest dreams or nightmares did I ever think I would be considered a cleaning expert. But over the past 11 years, I have started and operated a successful cleaning company in my hometown of Toronto, made these YouTube videos since 2011. We have over 500 of them, written a book about cleaning, and I have my own line of microfiber cleaning cloths. I tell you all of this because you need to know people are calling me a cleaning expert, and that means I know a lot of cleaning shortcuts and pro tips. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 unique shortcuts that you can use when you're cleaning to make your cleaning just like the pros. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning shortcuts that actually work. One of the places that people find the most challenging to clean is the kitchen, and they'll often say, how can I save time? Allow myself to interrupt myself before we continue getting into this video. I just wanted to tell you guys our Makers Clean summer sale spectacular, I don't remember what Chad called it, is coming to an end in a few hours. So if you are interested in getting 25% off large and small space kits, I've got a link for you down below. No coupon code is needed. You just go to makersclean.com and you can order your large or small space kits for 25% off. I don't know when another sale like this is happening, so if you're looking to get cloths, FOMO, get them now. All right, get back to the video. How can I save time? Well, I have one word for you. It is pre-treating. Whether you're cleaning something challenging like a pot, a pan, a dirty plate, a greasy backsplash, an overhead exhaust, or even a countertop with some spills on it, using a product, applying it to the surface, and letting it sit there for a period of 3 to 5 minutes, or a little bit more than 5 minutes if it's supposed to disinfect, will not only get rid of bacteria, but it will also help lift any of that grimy, greasy stuff to the surface, break it down, and make cleanup so much quicker. So that all you have to do is walk around your kitchen and start wiping, or take those dishes and gently scrub instead of burning up a storm on your arm. Wherever there is moisture, there's the potential for bacteria. So whether it's a cleaning tool like a microfiber cloth, a sponge, or a scrub brush, or even something in your bathroom like a shower curtain or a bath mat liner, you want to make sure that you're giving anything the opportunity to dry out. Because once the moisture is gone, no bacteria can form. Now, what can bacteria do? It might lead to mold and mildew growth, which you'll see in your bathroom, or it might lead to bad odors if you're talking about a cleaning tool. That's why you get smelly sponges. We're not going there. Same thing goes with your washing machine. You know I always talk about leaving the door open. So just remember, when in doubt, dry it out. When you talk to anybody about being efficient, they'll often tell you to take a big task and chunk it down. And the same thing goes for cleaning. Whenever I'm tackling an area, I don't look at the area as a whole. I look at it in smaller chunks. Then I focus on each chunk. I figure out exactly what needs to be done so that that area can look beautiful. I get to it. It allows me to be very efficient because I can be so laser focused and I don't get distracted by a larger space with lots of needs, and it feels less overwhelming. So whenever you're cleaning a space, like I always say, divide your room into a clock, start at 12 and work your way around. Those little chunks make a big difference and help you clean more efficiently. Even though I have this title of cleaning expert, most of you guys probably know by now that I don't go for perfect. And frankly, I don't advocate for it unless there's a need for it, unless there's time for it. On a daily basis, we're busy. We have lots of things going on. So instead, I think it's important to come up with your baseline, to know what you need to feel good in your space and work toward that each day. We all know what perfect looks like, and if you have the time or there's a need for it, go for it, get it done, make it perfect. But on a daily basis, reduce your stress, go for the baseline, and feel good in your home. Here's a lesson I did not enjoy learning in cleaning, but if I can save you the blood, sweat, tears, and cleaning products, I certainly will. And that is remove anything before you start treating it or cleaning it. So for example, if you're cleaning a non-self-cleaning oven, try to remove as much debris as possible manually. Scrape it up gently, wipe it out, whatever it is that you can do. If there's a stain, blot it up, remove all of the chunky material before you actually tackle the stain, etc. Anytime there's a spill, a stain, a mark, or something along those lines that needs to be wiped, you will spend more time spraying, wiping, cleaning, etc. Whereas if you remove as much of the matter ahead of time manually, whether you're using a paper towel, a vacuum, whatever the appropriate tool is, you're going to save yourself time when you're cleaning because there's much less to clean now that you've removed all of that dirt. I hope that makes sense to you. I know for me, it's made a big difference, especially when it comes to things like dirty windowsills, stains, grimy areas in the kitchen, things like that. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, if you could have anybody clean your house, who would it be? I have not spent too much time thinking about this, but off the top of my head, I think it would be Chad. And I think I would give him a special costume to wear. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. This is gonna be a funny one. Here are a couple of other videos I think you're going to love. And if you wanna learn more about our Makers microfiber cleaning cloths, you can click this button right over here. There's a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.